In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a landscape inside of Unreal Engine 5.6. Now, I imagine the technique is very similar on different versions, but just for clarity, I'm on 5.6. So let's get into it. So here we go. This is our Unreal Engine window. This is what you will first see once you've opened up a project. Now, in order to create a landscape, which is the floor, mountain ranges, all of that good stuff, you want to go up into here. So selection mode. And we're just going to change that to a landscape. There we go. And as you can see, by default, you'll get this selection down here. So 63 by 63 quads. Now, this is essentially, if we just zoom out, there we go. If we zoom all the way out, you can see if we change 63 to 7, you can see we're shrinking it. So essentially, the larger the quads, the larger the landscape is going to be. So if you're making a large world with loads of different elements and layers, then you would go for something bigger. So as you can see, 255 quads just goes on for miles. But I don't need that. So maybe we'll go 15 or maybe 31. Let's go 31. Now, as you can see, you've got location. So if I just tilt this camera down, you can see as of right now, the green landscape is basically parallel to the ground, this floor layer over here. But we can nudge that, so we can sync that under the floor, we can send it up, or we can move it left to right. Now, if you've imported a height map from the import from file section, this will be really handy just to align it up with the floor. You can also rotate, you can change the scale, you can do all of this other good stuff, but essentially this is now created. So we'll press create. And you can see we've got our landscape layer. So now we can go about sculpting. So as you can see by default, we've got this shadow here. This is going to start sculpting. So by default, we've got sculpt. And if I just press in the middle, you can see it starts to increase in height. And this is just adding an element to that landscape. Now, of course, we can change the brush type to simple circular brush, an alpha brush, pattern brush. There's loads of different brushes here, but essentially we can just go through and start painting out our landscape. So we can do mountain ranges if we wanted to. And if we change the total strength, so if we increase that, you'll see just by pressing it a little bit, that's going to extrude quite a lot. So we can build out mountain ranges using this. Then, of course, we can go into smooth. We can smoothen things out. We can erase sections. So if we wanted to remove this foreground, we can erase it like this. Now, as you can see, erosion is actually going to start to eat away. So we can go into a negative space. So if you were adding in water or if you were doing anything else like that, then this would be really handy. As you can see, though, this element is sticking out, and that is because the floor and the landscape are set to the same. So because we've eroded the landscape layer like this, it's exposed the floor there. So if we just turn that floor off for now, you can see that disappears. And if we zoom into the eroded layer, there you go. You can see that is a negative value. You can see it's dipped. So if we wanted to add water into this scene, then this is how we would do so. We would erode the ground. Cool. So this is your custom landscape. Of course, you can spend hours on this if you want to get it absolutely perfect, build out these intricate mountain ranges, or alternatively, if we just delete this landscape layer. Now, my computer might start to struggle running Unreal Engine and doing a screen record, so I apologize if there's any glitches or anything like that. But rather than creating a new one, we can import from file. Now, this is a height map. This is what we're going to need for this, a height map file. So if we go to these three dots, now I'm just going to go and navigate to this height map that I downloaded from the internet. It's the Dark Alien Landscape height map. And I'm just going to select heightmap.png. We can open that. And as you can see, this is the height map. If we tilt down, you can see we've got this data there. Now, of course, if you wanted to, you can increase the scale of this. You can change the location. You can sync this up to your floor. But essentially, we'll press import once you've done all of that data. And this is going to import that landscape using that height map data. Now, these height maps are available online from different sources. I believe you can find some on Fab, but you can also find some in other places like online marketplaces and people's stores. So have a look around, find some different height maps for you. This one was a free download, and I will link it in the description below so that you can download it as well. but it's a great starting point. It's going to save you loads of time. You don't have to worry about creating your own landscapes and your own height maps. You can just import one and it's going to create a landscape for you, therefore saving loads of time. And there you go. That is how you create a landscape inside of Unreal Engine 5.6. Let me know if this was useful, and if there's anything else that you need a hand with, please do let me know in the comment section below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next one.